Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at how we can export lead to an email automation platform, Klaviyo. And what we'll do is we'll try to automate this process right from capturing the information through a bot created in BotPress, and then using Zapier to send this data first to Zapier, and then from Zapier to Klaviyo. Okay, so let's get started on that. Let me quickly share my screen. We'll first create the Zap. Okay, so you just have to first come and click on create Zap in the dashboard. So this is where you will arrive. We have to first set the trigger. So we have that in place now. So what I'll do is I'll select Webhooks by Zapier. In the app as an app, event would be catching a hook. We'll try to make a call to Zapier. So the event which we require here is catch hook. We click on continue. If you have a request coming in this format where you have a parent-child relationship and you want only the child JSON, to be manipulated, then you can put the parent here, that is contact here, and it will only take into account the child JSON. You can just read through this. It's more of an advanced feature, so we can ignore that for now. So at the end, it will give us the URL or the endpoint which we need to give in our application for it to call Zapier. That is this particular Zap. Okay, so we will put this URL in our bot. Okay, in just a bit. Then what we need to do is add an action, and the action would be on Klaviyo. So let us select Klaviyo as an app. The event is creation of a contact, add subscriber. We continue, and then we try to connect Klaviyo. Okay. For that to happen, we need to have a Klaviyo account. Actually, I don't have a Klaviyo account itself. I'm doing it totally from scratch. So, let's see if that works. So yes, we have signed up to Klaviyo, and this is where we should be able to see that new record. Okay, so let's quickly go to our BotPress platform. Okay, and this is the place where we are sending the data to Zapier. Okay, let's quickly take that URL which Zapier gave to us, and we'll put this URL in the place in the bot where we are making the call to Zapier. Okay. And so once this is done, let's quickly do one quick chat in the bot where we'll give the user information and see if that user is replicated in Klaviyo. Okay, so let's say the user's name is this is the user information. Then the bot is asking the user to put his query. I'll just put a dummy here for us to quickly end this, because the scope of this video is more about the data export to Klaviyo from the bot. So as you would have noticed, we have this event debugger where all these different variables being sent or the data being sent from Zapier is seen. This is where variables get set. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to Zapier now. Uh, when we click on test trigger, we should see this record because the call was made through this URL only. So, let's continue with the selected record. Okay. And then now we are in Klaviyo. Let's connect Klaviyo, the account which I just created. Okay. Okay, so these are the two keys which we need to give. Let me quickly get those keys for you. So I went to the account settings in Klaviyo, and under that account settings, you will find the public key, and then you have to create a private key. So both the keys I created and gave in that window. After that, I'm clicking on continue. Yes. So the list which we need to select is, I suppose, let's go to I think new subscribers is the list, but let me see if that option is coming. Okay. Newsletter. Somehow it is not giving us the new subscribers list here. But anyway, we can for now select preview list. Okay, this is the preview list. So this is where we should see that contact. Okay, so I'm selecting the preview list. So this is the place where you map the request to the fields in your destination app. Okay, so list is selected. Email will be mapped to the email field of our request. First name will be mapped to the first name. Last name will be mapped to the last name. And phone number would be mapped to the phone number. Okay. So since we already have the data being triggered from the bot, so in Zapier you will see the mapping already, and you can just proceed. Okay. So these are the different fields which will be sent to the preview list. Okay. So let's test it out and see if the contact gets sent there. Okay, now let me go to Klaviyo and refresh the list. Yeah, so I figured out what was the issue. Actually, the list which we were trying to send the data to is an double opt-in list. Okay, so we have to make it single opt-in. In double opt-in, what happens is the data doesn't get stored till the time the user of that email confirms. So an email will be sent to that email ID for the user confirmation. Since that email which we entered is a dummy email, what I'll do is I'll just make it single opt-in so that the contact can just get added immediately. Okay, so this has been changed now. Now let's go back to our Zap. Let's select preview list only, and other things are all selected. We have these 4 fields we are trying to send. Click on continue and test. Okay, so you have this record being sent to the list which you selected there. So we have automated the lead capture from bot to the email automation platform, which is Klaviyo. Hope it was of value to you. It can help you automate a few of your tasks. If you want to work with me with respect to any kind of AI automation or process automation with Zapier, I am an AI automation consultant. You can book a call with me. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.